The ultimate guide to making money online, cash in without skills. Making money online most often requires a skill. Either you learn how to design a website or graphic design and acquire several other money-generating skills. However, can you make money online without these skills? Well, that's right, you definitely can. We're going to explore practical and up-to-date methods for earning money online without requiring any specialized skills or expertise. Hello, viewers. Welcome back to our channel. A simple reminder, if you have not yet subscribed to our channel, kindly click on the subscribe button so as not to miss our future educational pieces. Also, please remember that Money Maker Mindset is not a registered investment, legal, or tax advisor, nor a broker/dealer. All investment and financial opinions expressed by Money Maker Mindset are based on their own research and the experience of the team and channel owner. They are intended solely as educational material. Remember to conduct your own research, as you are responsible for the decisions you make. That being said, let's explore how to cash in online without requiring skills. Imagine earning money just by suggesting goods or services you enjoy. It seems too wonderful to be true, isn't it? Prepare to explore the world of affiliate marketing, where it has never been simpler to turn your passion into money. The definition of a win-win situation is affiliate marketing. To get started, you don't need any particular knowledge or technological expertise. All you require is a digital platform, such as a website, blog, or social network accounts. From there, you can sign up for reliable affiliate programs like ClickBank, ShareASale, or Amazon Associates. The flexibility of affiliate marketing is what makes it so attractive. You are free to select goods or services that genuinely appeal to your target market. There is an affiliate program out there waiting for you, regardless of your interests in fashion, health, technology, or home furnishings. The options are virtually unlimited, given the wide variety of things that are readily available online. However, the reason why this made it to our list today is that it can be done with absolutely no skill, as some affiliate programs provide you with everything required to succeed: a website, a landing page, a product, and sometimes even a community. You can also get paid for sharing your opinions and thoughts. Online surveys have revolutionized the way companies gather valuable consumer insights and feedback. They need your opinions to shape their products, services, and marketing strategies. Many trustworthy websites, like Zap Surveys, connect you with businesses eager to hear your opinions. It's simple to sign up, and you can start earning cash or gift cards right now. The procedure is easy. After registering, you'll receive questionnaires based on your demographic information. These surveys cover a wide range of topics, including market developments and customer preferences. Simply take a seat, relax, and let your mind wander as you thoughtfully and honestly respond to the questions. Now, you might be wondering, can I really make a significant income from online surveys? While it's true that online surveys may not replace a full-time job, they can provide a steady stream of supplemental income. The key is to sign up for multiple survey sites, maximizing your earning potential. However, it's important to note that not all survey sites are reputable and consistent, so critical research is necessary to take advantage of this opportunity. Furthermore, a special skill or expertise is not required. That will be all for today, folks. Whether it's affiliate marketing or online surveys, they are good places to start. Learn a skill, hone your skills, and scale up. There are plenty of practical ways to cash in online. Remember, it may take time and effort to build a sustainable income, but with persistence and dedication, you can turn your online ventures into a rewarding source of extra income. Thanks for watching. See you on the next one.